When people think of traditional chiropractic, the diversified technique is normally what you're thinking of. Quick and calculated impulses to the joints can help restore proper motion. This can oftentimes produce a popping or a cracking sound. This style of adjusting is ideal for people with good quality bone density and overall musculoskeletal stability. If someone has osteoporosis, so brittle bones, or they have instability due to a car accident or any other type of trauma, this is probably not the adjustment style that they're going to get started with. This type of adjusting is the most popular one seen on social media, so what you're seeing on TikTok with all those cracks and pops. But it is by no means the only technique capable of helping people out. Check out our next video if you'd like to know how chiropractic can help athletic performance.